Hi guys, welcome back to my kitchen. Today we are going to be making something really easy. Last video I talked about how I'm trying to eat healthier this year, and that's what we're doing. All 2021, help me, help you, help me. Let's help each other eat healthier. Okay, I just want to eat more plant-based foods, really, for real. And I want to, if we can work on figure, it's crop top season. I'm not ashamed. We're not ashamed. We're here for it. We're ready for it. Just want to keep working on this area, keep the bloating down, just feel good, just feel healthy, just feel strong and feel beautiful. And this is something that I like to eat that helps me do that. Let's keep the foods right. Let's keep eating right, because just because you're eating vegan or plant-based doesn't mean that it's necessarily healthy. Doesn't mean that one, you're getting the nutrients you need, and two, it doesn't mean that you're gonna lose weight. It really don't. It really doesn't. And I know this firsthand because I love pasta, I love carbs, but I've been finding that eating alkaline can help me even just keep down with bloating. So that's what I'm here for. And so today's episode is a good one. It's a very filling one, super quick and easy. If you don't have time, like you literally don't have time to cook, this is for you. If you don't know how to cook, this is for you. And if you want to eat healthier, this is also for you. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let's get into it. So here's all of my ingredients. These are the veggies I'm using, as alkaline friendly as possible. Use whatever you have or whatever you like. I'm going to be using Brussels sprouts, orange bell pepper, red onion, zucchini, butternut squash, eggplant, and mushrooms. And here is my arrangement of seasonings. You can use whatever you have. I have some garlic powder, some salt, oregano, paprika, and a mystery spice. I can't remember what it was. But use whatever you think will fit good with the veggies. So we're going to be roasting these veggies, and it's super easy. That's what I love about this recipe. You can use whatever veggies you have and just throw them into the tray, and then put our oil on and our seasonings. It makes it super easy to make. You can be doing anything else. If you're busy, this is a great meal to make, and it's super healthy. I love to use grapeseed oil when I'm roasting or sauteing something. It's good for high heat cooking and is alkaline friendly. So now I'm just gonna mix up my seasonings and put them in there. Be sure to give your veggies a toss before you toss them into the oven. I'm going to be baking them in the oven at 350 for about 30 to 40 minutes. Just keep an eye on them. While that's cooking, let's get our wild rice going in our Instant Pot, or if you have a rice cooker, even better. This also makes it super easy to make. If you're busy, you don't have time, you could just set this stuff and let the timers go off, and then your food is ready. So this is some wild rice that is actually really healthy for you. It has a little bit of a grainier texture, but I do really like it, and it was really good in this bowl. I added water, and then I have some garlic, oregano, and some sea salt, just to make sure that it goes well with the flavor of the rest of the veggies in the bowl. So now the veggies are done, extra crispy, as you can see. The eggplant got crispy, so make sure you keep an eye on it. But I like it crispy, so it's fine with me. It was still delicious. We wanted to give the Brussels sprouts a bit of a more roast too. And the rice is ready as well. It looks great. The rice was great. So now it's just time to assemble our bowl, really. So I just wanted to make this video to show you guys that you can eat healthy even if you're busy. You can eat healthy even if you're not really into cooking. This was super easy to make. Literally just prepping everything, cutting it up, putting it in the pan, and putting it in the oven. And if you have an Instant Pot and a rice cooker, it makes it even better. I just added some arugula on the side to mix in another green into my veggies. And I love the spiciness of arugula, and it really went well with everything in this bowl. So let me know what you all think of this down in the comments, and if you make it, be sure to tag me on Instagram at @CJohnson. And I hope you guys like this quick little easy meal. We're eating healthier all 2021. No excuses. Period. Have a great day. Bye.